UFO sightings are not something new. The topic has been under discussion for well over 100 years now, and Pentagon has already collected over 500 reports linking to the phenomenon. And while the military has attributed at least some of these incidents to experimental aircraft testing or private flights, most of the cases to this day remain unresolved entirely. From the strange giant ULU spotted by dozens in Missouri near the Whiteman Air Force Base to the unidentified triangular object hovering in the air over Highway 95 close to the legendary Area 51, there just seems to be no end to the mysteries. But does the government have something to do with this? Well, it certainly might be the case. It is pretty much evident already from the latest developments that China has been actively arming itself with new technology and is aware of its leadership's temperament. On the other hand, Russia is also following a pursuit and has been very active in provoking the United States recently. But even with these two nations aside, the US has quite a few other competitors in the world as well. Whether it's revolutionary nuclear submarines or new generational fighters, the US must always be at the very top to defend its integrity. Given the current state of affairs, it's no surprise that the Pentagon is eager to test new weaponry, including vehicles that could easily be mistaken for UFOs. The US Air Force launched a secret spy plane over the Pacific in 2013, and this unidentified object carried out strategic reconnaissance against hostiles. A document related to this event was later discovered, but the page containing the object's name had been blackmarked. Nonetheless, experts were able to deduce that the vehicle's name was made up of 8 letters, and there was only one aircraft in the United States that fit that description at the time. The Sentinel RQ-170. While other countries were still using piloted reconnaissance aircraft, the Sentinel, with a wingspan of 40 feet, was already a true drone. It had a 620 mph top speed and a special stealth coding technology. The covert device was designed to keep tabs on key enemy targets as it flew its missions over the Pacific Ocean from Guam Anderson Air Force Base. And even though we can never be fully confident, the drone deployment was most likely intended to gather information about North Korea's nuclear missile and space programs. But what about the announcement from Pentagon last year that called for the US Space Forces to be rearmed? The states have developed a fighter capable of near-space combat, the NGAD, the leader of the next generation of military aviation. From the most cutting-edge design to modern avionics to the best weapons in the game, the 6th generation craft certainly has it all. Each of its parts is perfectly matched and each function complements the others. It is poised to become the technological gold standard for its competitors. After all, the US has spared no expense in the development of the program. However, one of the most eye-catching features of the aircraft is its unique stealth skin that not only deflects radar waves, but also blocks laser weapons. The special coating was inspired by the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, which used a special paint that protected the aircraft while dissipating heat through its frame. This NGAD employs the same technology to scatter laser beams. Thus, in case the enemy employs a space laser, such as one on a satellite, the US aircraft still has options for retaliation. But another plus for the US flying at orbital altitudes is the open space. With its ultra-fast maneuverable missiles, it wouldn't be difficult to shoot down a satellite, or even a UFO. Another thing that makes this fighter the best in the world is its astounding speed. The aircraft tops at around 1,800 mph, and this means that the NGGD can't compete with the SR-71, along with many other well-known counterparts. Also, this speed would help the fighter completely evade air-to-air missiles. But even if this is not enough, it is impossible to hide from this fighter. It gathers intelligence through the use of super powerful aviation radar, as well as reconnaissance drones that can fly around any cover or even use X-ray-like scanners to see adversaries through walls. The plane may be employed against targets which cannot normally be seen visually, whether due to weather, smoke, haze, or some other factor. Nonetheless, the mysteries do not end here, for these two planes alone cannot really justify all the UFO-like objects. The aviation development program includes several other aircraft as well that have never been shown to anyone else before. The Dark Star is the main character in this sense. The star of the film Maverick, this high-tech beauty can even turn invisible in mid-air and takes only 5 seconds to summon a swarm of killer drones. And while it also has laser-directed energy weapons, the main appeal of the Dark Star is its modern stealth coating. And no, it's not your typical skin. The technology, Skyveil, is altogether new and consists of tens of thousands of miniature screens and cameras strategically placed throughout the aircraft. A single button press causes an image from the opposite side to appear on the plane's body, and as a result, you virtually can see through the plane. Or in other words, the jet becomes almost completely invisible to the naked eye. What other UFO tech does the US military hold? And what about the incidents that are not related to the forces in any way? Tell us what you think in the comments below. This brings us to the end of the video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing you more content like this. See you next time!